Hello again. So in this video, we will try to see how we can use Chat GPT to create a React app. So I'm sure you heard about Chat GPT because it's really popular right now, and you can use it for free. So you should really check out the website, so chat.openai.com, and you can really create a lot of things, like a code from using Chat GPT. So in this case, we will try to do like the previous video, so create a secret Santa using a web app using React. It should allow us to create users and input some parameters like the maximum amount per gift. If we try to do something like this, so okay, we will do exactly what they tell us. So first we create terminal, document personal, so create React app. So first create React app, then create a component, and change. Yeah, this is not, it doesn't give us the code. Okay, this one is better because they give us the code. So if we start this, we already have some code. Next, you will need to use some libraries. So in this case, they use React Router DOM and UUID. I'm not sure why they want UUID, but I guess why not. So if we copy the code, still waiting for this to download all the libraries we need. But we will go into a folder and npm install. We will install these two libraries. And once it is installed, you can start building the app. And so to start, you will need to, network error. It was actually some good code. Why did it stop? I hope we can get it again. Yeah, this one is not great. Okay. As you can see, sometimes it will not give you like amazing stuff. Is it going to give us some code or only this? Can we go back to? We cannot reload this, so it doesn't give us the full code. That's a bit disappointing. If we try another thing, give me the full source code to create. Sure. So import React. Okay, so it gives us some parameters. Okay, we can start to see it just finished. So I will open in my document personal, and we say it was Secret Santa. This one, this window, npm run start. It wasn't this one actually, it was another one, because the new one was wait, this one actually. Okay, this window. Okay, terminal npm run start. because this is my previous one. But now we're using DALL-E, so... Oh. Slow down. Did I finish this? Yes. It's not that good. But here we want to do again. Too many requests. Or if I just use some VPN. Okay, I'll try to use it again. Okay, a bit slow, always. Anyway, so if we just start to connect to Wi-Fi again, maybe it will give us a new IP. No, why just say this? Do I have like any issue? Too many requests, please slow down. Already slow, okay. I just make a pause. Okay, so this is my experience with Chat GPT. So just keep questioning. So, well, to be honest, like it can give you some code sometimes, not too bad, but like it really depends on like this is usually just like some general guidance. Yeah, general guidance, but I want something more like I really want some code so that I can then try to modify. So I don't know if I try this again, say again too many requests, I guess. Keep in mind that it is free, but if it doesn't work, I mean, you cannot do anything with this. So, quite disappointed with ChatGPT. Tell me in the comments what you thought about this. Okay, we'll just try to do a last try. Maybe it will work now, but let's just hope it will work. Maybe because I'm asking for something too long. What does it do? Remote user. Okay, it seems to do some really nice things. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Because you can remove some user, you can add some user. And okay, that really does a lot of code here. Just copy it, because maybe. Okay, that's really nice. It seems like I will delete this in app. Okay, I'll just copy paste. So if I call it app instead, and I'll delete this one. And so now if I try npm run start, it will give me a lot of code. Maybe not. It looks really promising because it did a shuffle, so it's sorted. I'm not sure about this sort. I just put a random. I guess like this is really strange to shuffle using this. Like you can see it's not normal, but oh no, it was working great and just stopped. Oh no, no. It keeps showing network. I can't. It was something great. It did almost finish. I need to. It was great. So it's still the same code at the beginning. Just this is new, like const pairs, set pairs. And it is creating a. If I do a copy code, do I have a full code maybe? Not yet, just a green code. Please don't crash, please don't crash. Add user for submit. So far everything seems good. Oh. It just keep crashing. So I guess you can. Yeah, we'll just stop it now, but as you can see, like it's really promising because I just wanted to add more stuff and it started to give me the good results, but then it just crashed again, so yeah, you can use it for simple stuff, I guess. Which is really nice if you say like try it again, it will give you a new kind of response. But again, network error every time. I don't know why. Again, it's so frustrating. But keep in mind that it is still free to use, so like you can really use it at least for some small code. Because if, for instance, I wanted give me some JavaScript code to shuffle an array, it will give me something, I guess. Because maybe I asked for something too long, because it just keeps crashing when there's too much code. So I guess maybe like we have a limit still. Okay, now I cannot use anything. But so yeah, you can see it's really promising, but if it just doesn't work, you cannot do much yet. But maybe in the future, when they would make it paid, it can be really a game changer because you see throughout all this code without doing anything. But like all the time I spent trying to do this, I mean for now it's faster to do it myself, but maybe in the future it will be better. So you should try this out and see if it works for you and tell me in the comments what you thought about this. Okay, thank you and please subscribe. Bye.